Hi everyone, I am Nichole Saxton, and today, along with Community Natural Foods, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect spring pout using all clean beauty products. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've already cleaned my lips, I've exfoliated them so they're nice and clean, there's no dead skin on them. I'm going to go in with a lip liner. So this is Elegant by Mineral Fusion. I'm going to just softly shape the outline of my lips. I'm also going to go into the corners of the lips, the outer corners, and I'm going to add a little bit more lip liner there. And I'm doing that because lipstick tends to fall off on the corners first, and if it does, we always want a color underneath that so you don't see missing makeup. Now because it's springtime and coral is the Pantone color of the year, I'm going to go in with this beautiful coral lip product. It is the Sheer Moisture Lip Tint in the color Shimmer. I'm gonna go right on my lip. I was really careful to not go outside the lip line because we want to make sure that it's all within the lip line. The lip line is the frame of the lipstick. And so now that it's all in there, I'm gonna go in and top it off with a beautiful lip gloss by Benicos. This is just in the color Natural. I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand and use my finger to apply it. Just right in the center to give you that really beautiful looking pout. And there you go, that's the perfect pout for spring, beautiful coral, and it's all clean beauty products.